Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a margin account on Webull. To begin, you need to ensure your Webull account is approved for margin trading. A margin account lets you borrow money from Webull to buy securities, using your existing holdings as collateral. You must maintain a minimum of $2,000 in your account to qualify for margin trading. This is a regulatory requirement to cover potential losses. Applying for a margin account is straightforward. Open the Webull app, go to your account settings, and look for the margin account option. You'll complete an application that includes financial suitability questions to ensure margin trading is appropriate for you. Once submitted, Webull will review your application, which typically takes anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of business days for approval. Once approved, it's crucial to understand margin requirements. Initial margin is the percentage of a security's purchase price you must pay with your own funds, often 50%. Maintenance margin is the minimum equity, usually 25%, you must maintain in your account. If your account value drops below this, you may receive a margin call, requiring you to deposit more funds or liquidate positions. Using margin can significantly increase your buying power, offering up to 4 times leverage for day trades and 2 times for overnight positions. However, remember that Webull charges interest on borrowed funds, calculated daily and billed monthly. While margin can amplify potential returns, it also magnifies losses. Always use margin responsibly and be aware of the associated risks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.